Oh my god, my whip broke the Coke can. You see, separated two pieces by my whip. You see, oh, very strong whip. We made it at home, homemade natural whip, and I hit the cola can, and you see, separated two pieces. Hi guys, how we made homemade natural whip. You see, this is very special tree branch. Okay, we will make homemade natural whip. Let's restart. Okay, first we do handle of whip. By the band, a strip band like this. You can do handle like this. You see. Okay, already we have the handle of our homemade whip. Handle is okay. You see. Okay, guys. Touchable and very portable and useful. Okay, guys, we will make the edge and part of whip. You see, this is material including very thin wire inside. This is metal wire coated plastic. Okay, I placed these materials to the end of the whip, made of very special T branch. Okay, guys, must be strong. Okay, adhesion and contact must be very strong. Okay. Okay, finished. Finito. You see, I try. We will try this whip with the Coca-Cola can. You will see soon. Okay, you see. I will paint the edge material at the end of the whip. After painting, view will be better. And I don't want the white material at the end of my whip. Okay, finito. Thank you. Finito. Okay, we are testing our natural homemade whip. Gidiyor. Oh my god, my whip broke the Coke can. You see, separated two pieces by my whip. You see, oh, very strong whip. We made it at home, homemade natural whip, and I hit the cola can, and you see, separated two pieces, cut off from here. You see, by the whip. Very strongful whip we made. It cuts the cola can like this. You see. Finito.